Okay guys, today we're doing a Wurth tool haul unboxing video. Cameron's got a big old box of Wurth tools. We already opened these up, but we're going to show you guys these three really awesome ratchet sets he picked up. So we're going to get him right to it. So you open up the box here, and you're greeted with
three different boxes.
This is the first box here. It's a really nice Wurth tools box like this. This is the 3/8 ratchet set in here.
Let's set that off to the side.
And then you get the big boy. This one's unmarked, big white box. Basically, this is the
Just has a little,
half-inch, little part number, or item number, I'm guessing. And then you get the cool Zebra Wurth box here. This is the 1/4-inch ratchet set.
I'm just letting you know, all these sets are a Zebra set. They do have the lifetime warranty.
They just have different boxes.
And I picked all of these up from WurthUSA.com.
So we're gonna, I guess, dive into the little one first. Let's do the 1/4-inch.
Alright, so first unboxing. Oops. Do this one.
Okay, let's set it down on the
Comes in
table
a very
here.
neat Wurth Zebra package.
Cool
It says Zebra
case.
quality on it. It is very similar to the case that Jacob has for his mini ratchet set.
And it has the small front latch that you push the finger and opens up, and you're presented with a really nice little kit here. And if you guys can see, this is how it's presented.
You have the Zebra 1/4-inch ratchet with the radial head, where you can just go like that to switch it back and forth from tightening and loosening. You also have the screwdriver handle with the 1/4-inch head. You can either put sockets on here, or you can use the bit adapter to use all these different size sockets or different size bits. These sockets go from 4mm to 14mm, and they include
the 12-point sockets.
Yeah, and they include a 5.5 as well.
And they're super nice, very nice quality. They say Zebra on them. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but really nice sockets. That's probably my favorite part of the set. And
everything has a comfort handle. These are a little bit harder, and these are more of a nice rubbery feel.
Yeah, the screwdriver.
It has instructions on how to how to service your ratchet, along with information about every single size and piece of each.
And this
piece
display I like, because when you put it all back, you know exactly where everything goes, because it basically shows it. It's just very nice looking. But yeah, you get a nice bit assortment. As you guys can see, you get 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, Phillips head 1 through 3. Then you get a flat head, and then you get various torques from 10 all the way up to 40. So you get lots of bits there, and then you also have this universal Wurth joint, very nice quality. You get this long extension
and a medium extension. This set comes in. This is probably the best value set out of all these three, because if you're working on any sort of dirt bike, it covers most of the sizes you'll need. This set on WurthUSA.com was about $45 before tax, which is very, very nice for something that has lifetime warranty and is a German tool brand. This is comparable to something like a Wera ratchet set.
These are super nice. I think these are excellent feeling. You can
Yeah.
when you do the ratchet, show him like this feeling.
If you can hear the clicks,
it's very
nice and crisp, and it's very fine tooth. I believe these are all 72 tooth ratchets.
So not crazy fine tooth.
And then in the screwdriver handle, you also have a 1/4-inch receiver on the back. So realistically, this is also an extension. So you can, if you want to see, you can daisy chain all the little extensions together to get
this
one
crazy
huge extension. Now, unlike the rest of this, all the rest of the sets do not come with a screwdriver handle, but they do also come with two extensions.
themselves.
So we'll go ahead and put these back in the case.
And the best part is really nice function added feature. So let me do this real quick. You could take the whole rubber piece out, and if you just want this in the toolbox, now you have this fully self-contained toolkit.
And it's nice and rubbery, so
Super
it'll stick to most metals, just like friction wise.
Just thick. It's just a big chunk of rubber, kind of foamy rubber, and then it just goes right back in there, and it's all custom, super nice.
That's pretty much it. Just to close it, you just snap it down, and it closes with the latch. Now we'll move on to the 3/8.
3/8 kit here.
The 3/8 kit cost me about $65 before tax, which is also a great value for a set. Unlike the 1/4" set, this has an actual buckle. So go ahead and undo that.
It's a very similar case as Zebra quality and Wurth, and you guys will be able to see it's pretty similar.
This set runs from a 6mm to a 22, and then it includes a 6.3mm, which I've never seen before. Just like the other two sets, this comes with a universal joint, a long extension, and a medium extension. And then along with this set, you get a similar ratchet, but this one is a 3/8. They're nice and chunky and thick, and they have the same rotary head. Very, very, very nice. Very, very fine tooth again.
These sockets, just like the last ones,
are the
super
specialized
nice.
12-point
This can
spline socket.
Go on anything.
Basically, the Torx, you can go on Torx, screw, imperial, and metric.
Like weird star head, square.
Along with like a
Super
XZN.
handy. Yeah.
And like
all
weird
kinds
ones.
of stuff. So this is super versatile. And then this extension, I think, is about 10 inches long. Pretty long extension for such a small kit. So super nice.
And again, coming in only at $65. I mean, most ratchet most tool brands, just the
like a
ratchet
high-end, like a Sonic or a Snap-on ratchet would be about that. And
or
you get a
more
whole kit here. And same thing as the last one. This whole rubber thing comes out, and you can set it in a toolbox. So it's really nice.
Yep, and that's pretty much it. You just close it, and you can just relatch it with the buckle. Now on to the big daddy. You want to hold one side? Okay, so
this is
check
a
this
big
out.
kit for coming in a self-contained kit.
Oh my gosh, this one
Comes
was
with a
$95. Again, a 1/2" ratchet by itself from any major tool brand would probably cost about $95. So this is a very nice combo set. Again, just like the last set, this set comes with a long extension, a short extension, or a medium extension, and a universal joint, along with the same style of ratchet.
Very big.
Also very
Serious
thick.
tool.
Like you could probably hammer on this. Same rotary head.
Comfort grip, just like the other one.
Nice comfort grip. This one has a little bit of lumpiness to it, which kind of feels nice in the hands. It's basically a club, and if you hear,
Very crisp.
very crisp, very clean. No press on the back, so it's just a kind of slip socket similar
it's
to the
just
Snap-on.
yeah.
And then this one will run from a 10 to a 32,
Which is super awesome.
skipping it. Unfortunately, it skips from 22 to 24, 24 to 26, and 26 to 28, and 28 to 30.
No, it has a 27.
Oh, it has a 27. Okay.
But no 29 and no 31. So just some of those odd big ones it doesn't have. But 32 is a pretty seriously big socket. Let me set it down real quick.
And
I'll
with
show you guys
the
how big
larger
this is.
3/8 and 1/2" sockets, it does have that taper at the beginning.
I mean, this thing is big. I mean,
Very, very large.
you can work on a pretty big piece of machinery with this guy. So super nice kit, really heavy duty. I mean,
This
same
one-
thing with the rubber liner. Like you could set this in a toolbox and then use this box for whatever.
And from WurthUSA.com, all orders over $100 are free shipping. So I had to pay Washington State income tax, but with all these sets coming in at under $100 each, I spent about $215 after tax. And it surprisingly, it came within like 3 days of ordering, and it came from Nevada, so it was pretty fast shipping. I'm very happy. I can't wait to use these, and there's not enough good stuff I could say about it.
Yeah, and I would say for $200, you can go out and get a Craftsman kit or get a Cobalt kit or whatever,
And those
you
will
can definitely
have
more other ends like Allen wrenches and little things, and screwdrivers and maybe a wrench set or whatever. But for high quality tools, like
this is
upper
comparable
branded-
to Wera or Snap-on or
Yeah, these are serious tools that
Matco.
you could really make a lot of money with working every day and rely on them. And personally, my favorite part is these sockets, just the 12-point thing. These are usually super expensive from other brands, but this is what Wurth does. Most of their sets are all these 12-point, which is super nice and just super versatile.
Also, what I've seen from the website, as far as I can tell, the only way to get the nice radial style, or rotary style
Ratchets?
Zebra ratchets is with the actual kits. Outside of the kits, they are just the standard style ratchet with a little switcher.
Yeah, so we'll just show you guys what they look like all opened up together, and they're really cool looking tools, I think.
Nice black and silver with
And
a little
then
bit of red.
really nice looking tools, and they just look very professional. And I love my mini run that's like half this size, and so that would kind of drew Cameron in.
Yeah, as you saw in our mini ratchet comparison between the Craftsman, the Hyper Tough, and the
Wurth. That was our favorite.
The Wurth was by far the best, and Jacob's had that for about a few years, and we use it all the time on all of our projects.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to use these on some of my projects. They're just so nice feeling in the hand, and they hold up very well.
Self-contained is super nice because and the metal cases, because now Craftsman has all these like clear plastic ones, and you get cases that like they clip in and stuff like, and it's just kind of annoying to have to yank the tools out, where this is just all like, it's like pre-cut foam, which you can only really get with like Sonic tools and high-end stuff like Snap-on. So super nice. And yeah, any other thoughts, Cameron?
I would say I would definitely check this brand out. They have a lot of different. They do also sell 6-point sockets, but they mostly specialize in these specialized spline sockets. They do sell wrenches,
all kinds of other tools. The screwdrivers.
And what they're best known for is like chemicals. So if you work with a company that is registered, you can sign up with them and buy some chemicals, like automotive chemicals, like tracing powder.
And then my favorite thing is, number one, the Zebra quality. This is lifetime warranty if it says Zebra from their website. But also the screwdrivers. This one has a screwdriver. But I have a screwdriver set, and I have beaten on them, hammered on them, and I've never bent a tip or anything, and they've been the best screwdrivers I've ever owned. So yeah, I would highly recommend this Wurth brand. Super nice, and I think fair pricing for compared to something like a Snap-on.
I would say the easiest one to get from a cheaper brand would be something like this 1/4-inch set, where you have just a small ratchet
and like a kind of array of bits and stuff.
A combo, but you're never going to be able to find the spline sockets in a kit that is just that is that
kind of standard. You're gonna have to seek those out.
Is that comprehensive? And I would say this is probably the best value, because it does run all the way up to a 14. So if you were working on something like a quad or something, this will basically be perfect for everything, because it has Phillips, flathead, Torx, everything. Now the one that'll probably be the hardest to find is going to be this big one. Now this big one, those 1/2-inch sockets, I don't think I've ever seen anything other than 6-point, 12-point outside of Wurth. Now that's not saying there isn't any. I'm just saying that it might be easier just to get this, because you just get such a wide array of such large sizes.
And try to purchase these sockets individually,
they're quite expensive.
Crazy. So for $95 to get all these big old sockets, up to a 32 millimeter, and you get nice extensions and a super nice ratchet, I think that's a steal. So yeah, thanks for taking a look at the Wurth with us. Cameron's really happy with them. I think they're super cool, and you guys should check them out. I'll leave links in the description to these products and their website. So yeah, please like and subscribe if you guys want to see more tool videos, or if you enjoyed any of our other videos. See ya.